Welcome back, guys! We are going to Malshej Ghat in the rainy season to enjoy the Malshej Ghat's greenery and beautiful waterfalls. We are on our way with all our plan ready on our iPads and we are enjoying the journey.
Enjoy.
So, we are still in the city, but we are 2 hours away from Malshej Ghat. So, tada! We'll see you after 1 hour.
So we've just crossed Naranggaon and
We are 1 hour away from
1 hour away from
Malshej Ghat.
Oh,
हमारी जर्नी के दौरान पापा पासवर्ड भूल चुके थे अपने फ़ोन का और पापा का फ़ोन लॉक हो गया और पापा के फ़ोन की मेमोरी सारी लॉस हो चुकी।
सारा डेटा लॉस हो गया है और अभी भी दोबारा अनेबल टू एक्टिवेट आ रहा है
और ये
बुक लाए नहीं है।
So now we are reaching we are in Malshej Ghat. We can see
Foothills of Malshej Ghat. You can see the mist,
we can see the beautiful rain.
clouds coming down, and the thumb point. Thumb point is behind the clouds.
So guys, as you can see, the beautiful narrow cute lanes through which we went.
वो स्विट्जरलैंड से कम है क्या यार? तो किसी एंगल स्विट्जरलैंड से कम है।
We went to Blue Tick restaurant to have breakfast. So there's a lot of music and lots of fun happening here. And as you can see, we have a really great view of the lake. And Mama is thinking what to order. So let's have some food. This is the menu. Our drinks are coming in a while. Till that time, we are having some paranthas. So see you. तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, हम खाना खा के ब्रंच करके अपना वाटरफॉल्स को देखते हुए जा रहे हैं। क्या बारिश हो रही। We are going to see the series of waterfalls. There is a bumpy road. We went through a small tunnel and then we saw the series of waterfalls. So we decided to get off and do some vlogging.
Yeah. Oh, waterfall, the waterfall. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So many waterfalls.
So guys, we'll show you the car wash waterfall from outside, then we'll show you to you from inside. And other waterfalls as well. Whoa! अपनी कार wash होते हुए जा रही है. This is the car wash waterfall.
And now we are going
through it.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. वाटरफॉल की वजह से गाड़ी खराब तो नहीं हो रही?
We went to our hotel Sarge and we checked in.
102. Thank you.
Have fun.
Thank you.
After resting for a bit, we went to Malshej Ghat.
So this is a very scenic drive from Malshej Ghat to Nani Ghat. Very scenic actually. One must come over here, and the roads are also pretty well maintained. They are narrow, but they are pretty well maintained. So it's a nice scenic drive with a lot of waterfalls, a lot of greenery, misty, rainy weather. What do you say, Mayor? And we actually it's becoming dark. थोड़ा अंधेरा हो रहा है ना मेरे अब? These waterfalls, if you are not able to see, so these are the waterfalls. Small villages, lovely villages, and pretty much small lakes. Here we are at the top of Malshej Ghat. So here we are, finally completing the track.
So there was also a Malshej Ghat waterfall, but due to the mist, we could not find it on a route. So we then went to our hotel and then we had dinner. We ate our dinner, slept, and then we got ready for our next day.
MTDC resort. तो ये अभी हम आ गए हैं MTDC resort और you can see it's Balgan. You can hardly see. As you can see, you can hardly see. So we'll try to see where the reverse waterfall is. Going to the Ghats area now. Let's see. Let's watch out if we can see something. Oh, क्या दिखेगा यहाँ पे मेरे waterfall? We are at the reverse waterfall, so you can hear it, but you can't see it. I hope you can hear it, guys, but you can't see it. मिस्टी वेदर है, ठंडा वेदर है. It's totally wet. The drone has gone wet. I'm scared that the drone has gone wet. देखा पानी भी इसका ऊपर आ रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा. It's too scary. If you want to look down, it is too scary.
Now we are going to Kalo Waterfall. Hopefully we'll find our way.
So you guys want to see how the weather is. You can't see actually. That is how bad the weather is. See? Total mist. Total mist over here as well. Nothing can be seen. And that's the visibility you have. मूसलाधार बारिश होते हुए बाहर
confused, but at last we found the track. It was near a small Ganpati temple. But since we were all alone and the track was very long, we returned. Plus, in the reception, we were told that someone had died in the waterfall, so now it's bad. So what if we tracked and there was police there? That is also another reason we didn't go. We went to Blue Neck restaurant to have breakfast, and as you can see, these are the options of the breakfast they have usually. After eating a breakfast, we checked out. So we were headed out to Junnar, where we decided we'll have lunch, which was on our en route. And on en route to Junnar, we saw this beautiful Pimpalegaon Dam, which does not look like a dam at all. Yes, I know. It looks like a very vast water body. So it was so beautiful that we decided to take a few drone shots here. So guys, one must come here to enjoy this tranquil lake. It is a very nice and quiet place. After doing a photography session at the Pimpalegaon Dam, we drove to Lenyadri Caves, and on en route to Lenyadri Caves, we saw a valley viewpoint where we thought we'll take some drone shots. It was very peaceful and calm there. Guys, we reached the Lenyadri Caves after this valley viewpoint shot in about 15 minutes.
अच्छा बच्चा मतलब 10 साल का अच्छा ठीक है
So this is a 350 steps staircase to go up to the caves. Baba, 350 almost 350 staircase का half चल के कैसा लग रहा है?
ऊंची स्टेयरकेस है दे आर लाइक नॉर्मल स्टेयरकेस तो बड़ी स्टेयरकेस तो देखो बंदर पेड़ों से कूद रहे और तेरे की लटक के
Guys, if you come here, please do not touch the monkeys or take a picture with them. It irritates them and they can pounce at you. Also guys, if you love ancient buildings, this is the spot for you guys. It's a very nice old little place. Parked our car here behind that big tree. We parked our car and we have come all the way, meeting all the monkeys and people till here. And now we are up here. And see the view, guys. Amazing view of the city. And अब चढ़ाने लगे ना फ्लावर्स गॉड को. चलिए चलते. We finally reached Junnar and we ate some food at Pocket Cafe and then we went home. Thank you so much guys for watching our video.